some breaths. You got some wind out there.
Don't get up.
Deep breaths, slow and deep breaths. Come on. Deep breath. Easy. Calm down. Listen to me. Calm down, hon. Listen.
Take some deep breaths.
Deep breath. Slow down. Listen. Slow down on your breaths. Come on. Listen. Deep breaths. Take a deep breath here. Take some deep breaths. Deep breaths, kid. Deep breaths.
Oh, don't go stupid. No, it was windy. You could walk straight and then too windy to do the stuff, I guess. I had a feeling it was hanging. That's why I said.
Can you flip that back over?
Yeah, get out of the way.
Yeah, go ahead. You're good. Stay there, kid. Take some breaths. What's this?
The camera. You know what happened? You moved sideways, you landed on one wheel.
I thought you saved it there, and then all of a sudden...
There wasn't any way she could save that unless she had one.
Behind you is the other part.
Yeah, there was no way you could have because the way you landed with one wheel. The second the other one hit, the other one came off. So it was an automatic speeder. That's what happened.
Was your camera running?
Oh yeah.
Sweet. What hurts? Your back? You want me to kick you in the leg?
Move your toes. Can you move your toes? Let me see. No, I can't see them moving.
Goose. She's fine. You got a big boogie hanging out your nose though. Alright, here, let me get it.
I thought it was collarbone.
That was cool. I like that.
The way the bike
If it was him, I would have been like, oh well. But when it's like one of
them
them and they're just like these little girls.
You're lucky you fell off that way and not in front of it. Catapult it with the bike.
What's that right there? Something that...
That's the plug-in thingy with your cover off of something.
Get that took up. Alright, get up. Let's go. Come on, you gotta ride.
What's that? Look at this. You got fucking parts laying everywhere.
Here, give me that. That's what I was looking for.
Uh-oh.
Oh, that's for a gas tank. Okay.
Well, what's your helmet?
No.
How do you shut this off? It's still... Look at my nose.
Sounds good. It's just
You have to watch the whole thing too. You gotta shut it off.